What it do, YouTube? This your boy Richie Mo back at it again with another video. I want to give a special shout out to every one of you guys that's watching the channel right now. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We are growing every single day. Make sure you guys go show some love. I definitely appreciate it. Make sure you guys go follow my second channel. It's called Loving L&M. Basically, it's a channel me and my girlfriend started, our couples channel. It's funny, but it's gonna get better, trust me. But I do need you guys' support. Make sure you guys go and show some love. Just go subscribe and leave a thumbs up. I truly appreciate that. But I forgot to make an intro earlier today. I just got straight into it because I wasn't planning on making a video, but I said, fuck it, let me just make a video. So in this video, we're gonna be making the 350Z much more aggressive looking, how I really did it at first. So this time we did it the correct way and we did it the best way. Make sure you guys go on my website, Mortal Society. Go check out that website because I definitely sell the tire letterings that we just installed on my car. And this tire letterings is exactly from my website. So shout out to my people that do business with me. I appreciate it. Thank you guys for letting me use your guys' tire letterings. And guess what? It's the best in the fucking world. So this one is my 5th tire lettering, and this one is the most best material out there. So if you guys want to get you guys any type of tire letterings, go to my website. It's for all cars, all shapes and sizes. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you guys go do that. And also go copy guys some merch. Support the channel. That's the best way you can do it. And right now we are almost sold out on everything. So make sure you guys go pick up the last t-shirts and hoodies and whatever you can do. And yeah, let's go from there. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please keep showing love. Keep smashing the thumbs up. We almost at 6,000 subscribers. We out. So right now I need to get something for my car. So I just got off work. So what I'm about to do is basically we're gonna put some tire letterings on my car. And on my website, I do have the tire letterings for sale. So I'm using my product from my website. So make sure if you guys want tire letterings for your car, no matter what car you got, truck, whatever, you guys can go on my website and you guys can actually order the tire letterings that I'm about to install today. So the whole thing is I'm here at AutoZone. I'm trying to get the best tire cleaner that doesn't give like some type of grease where I guess where it makes it harder for the tire letterings to stick. And I'm using super strong tire glue for this car. So you guys know me, I had tire letterings so many times before, but this time I'm gonna do it actually right. And I have the coolest people that works with me that makes them, and I'm going to show you guys the first one. And this is the one I have on the website, so make sure you guys go on my website and go order some. But I'm trying to find something to clean the wheels. I do have I'm trying to figure out, I have the turtle wax spray, but I want something a little bit stronger. I'm not sure if I want to even use this. See, I don't want nothing greasy. I want something that's just kind of like, see, I have like a turtle wax of this. It gives you a nice clean, but I want something that just takes everything off. But I don't know, man. I'm trying to figure it out. I'm trying to figure out like something to get for my, cause I'm about to put tire letterings on my new, on my Z. But I'm trying to get like the best tire cleaner. I got like the spray one, like the foam with the turtle wax. But I'm just trying to find one that's not greasy, so I can just kind of get the best.
Like, do you want one that wipes off, or do you just want one that you leave it on there?
I just, it don't matter. Whatever just can take off like the grease off my tires, like the black stuff, whatever you call it.
Me personally, I use this shit.
Oh, this right here. So basically, just
spray it on there. You can leave it there.
On it doesn't leave like no grease or like.
No, I don't think so.
Oh shit.
I mean, I haven't used that one, but I'm like most positive that it's not going to leave grease. Okay. The one I've used, I don't even think we have it.
So I use this, and then should I use like it's like a towel, a rag, or should I use like a?
You can use microfiber towel. Or any.
Which one would be like cool for me? Because I'm just trying to grab a few, not hell of them, but just trying to see.
Like these right here.
Oh, these ones be perfect. Oh yeah.
It comes with 6 of them.
Oh yeah, for sure. Oh yeah.
It's like $6.
All right, so I got this right here. The bro hooked me up with a discount, which is a blessing. But yeah, so we got the tire shine. We got the best tire shine in the game, you dig? And we got some towels that I need. But we're about to put some tire letterings on this car. We're about to transform this car, make it even look doper. And I might just give this car a nice detail because as you guys can see, it is dirty. Look at the window. Ooh-wee. It is dirty on this car. But anyways, oh my gosh, disgusting dirty. You guys can't really see, but it's time for a clean. Let's get in the car. All right, so I'm already doing it. I'm already getting everything ready. Got the tires. That is the first coat. So what I'm gonna do is each coat of all around the car, and me spraying that. Got some tire cleaners you guys seen earlier in the video. I'm gonna wipe all that down, and the whole thing is trying to get this as much clean as possible. The wheels, I was gonna put the tire letterings on that, but I said, you know what, I'm gonna order some tire letterings for that car. But right now I just want to fix the ZL, make it a little more nicer, and we got to get the new bumper. I know I've been saying that so many times in so many videos, but I saved some money, had bought another car, yada yada yada, but we still gotta get that bumper. But anyways, like I said, for that car, I'm gonna get a different color tire letterings to make it just go much more smoother. With this car, this one I'm sticking with the yellow ones that you guys see in Yokohama. Gonna put them on here. So I'm gonna try to get this going real quick because it is getting colder and the sun is setting. So I'm gonna try my best to clean the wheels, and after I'm done cleaning the wheels, that's gonna take the longer process. I should record the next part. And like I said, make sure you guys go on the website. I do have the tire letterings for sale, have different ones, but yeah, we got all different types right here, man. So let me get this rolling and speed this up. Let's go. All right, y'all, hours later, finally finished. It's super dark time. Yeah, I didn't finish. It took me hours. I got home around 5 p.m., worked on the car. 5 hours later, but I made sure everything was done correctly, and I wanted to get everything done the right way. Make sure you guys go check out Immortal Society. We got different t-shirts on the website, down below in the link. Also, make sure you guys go follow my second channel with my girlfriend. We got a couples channel. I'm gonna get better at it, but make sure you guys go support it. Please go subscribe. I would truly appreciate it. Let me show you how the car looks. It looks amazing. I'm actually about to clean up the garage, but everything is so nice. And like I said, if you guys want these tire letterings, go on my website. The link is down below this video. Make sure you guys go cop you guys some decals, man, or go get yourself some tire letterings. Let me show you how it looks right now. So this is how it looks. Bam. Came out so freaking good. So I did this side, did the back. My wheels need to be cleaned, but it looks damn good. Let's come over here to this side. And here it goes. Damn, man. It looks so good. It's not that much space in here, but you guys kind of get the drift. It looks so mean. And like I said, on my website, I have different brands, but we have these tire letterings. They come in different colors. We got yellow, white, but definitely rocking with Yokohama. I used to have Yokohama on my Volkswagen, but look at this thing, man. It looks amazing. Oh my gosh. Looks so good. But this definitely brings out the character to the car. Tire letterings just brings out the characteristics of the car even more, and it makes it look more sportier. Let me come from this angle where you guys can kind of get the idea. It looks badass. So it took me a lot of hours to get it done, but we finally got it done. And all I'm going to let it do is sit for 2 hours, let it dry without driving it, leave it in the garage for a couple of hours, let it sit and chill. And then after that, we're good to go. Took a long time, but I made sure I did everything right this time. This is like my fourth time doing tire letterings, but this time I want to make sure I did everything proper, but I am static, so it's, you might have a chance of getting ripped off, but I actually took my time and actually did it good. But it looks amazing. And I'm thinking about getting rid of these tips and do the titanium. I'm thinking about doing that. I'm gonna do titanium quad tips.